What is it, Z? They're sneaking up on it.
Stitch, leave it.
I'm gonna come out here so I can get a better angle. What is that? It turned around on him. It's gonna kick your ass, Stitch. It's around the corner. They can't see it.
Vacuuming up this leash.
Well, I was trying not to get your butt in the camera too. Get it, ZZ. Get it, Z. He runs up to it, and then he jumps back because he's scared of it. It's coming right back at him. It's going to come right around the corner. ZZ, what is it? Here it comes! Here it comes! Here it comes, Stitch! It's gonna get you! Boom!
I think this room's good enough on you guys.
Yeah, I think it's done. ZZ is more like what the fuck. Stitch thinks it's an enemy.
Yes.
What is that, ZZ? What is that?